Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my last video, then you'll know that I look exactly as I did in the end of that video. And that's because I just finished that video where I bleached my roots. And now we're gonna be adding some color. Now I've been so excited for this color because it's just a color that I think is really pretty, but I've never tried it and I've been waiting for the perfect time to use it. And I think the time is now because it's fall and the color is Ginger Flare. I've used Arctic Fox's Sunset Orange and I mixed it, I think, with some yellow and purple and try to make it like a darker orange, but it was still pretty bright. This one I think is supposed to give more of like that natural like ginger color. So I don't know if it's gonna look natural on platinum hair. Honestly, maybe this would work better if your hair was slightly darker, but I'm still gonna try it and hopefully I like how it turns out. I do have a little problem. So normally when I'm about to dye my hair, I wash it just with shampoo and then I don't add any conditioner because that way like the hair dye can like penetrate the hair better and you'll just get better results. However, when I bleached my hair yesterday like I did my roots, if you saw that video, you'll know that things didn't really go according to plan and I ended up having to bleach some areas twice. So my hair just felt a bit dry and I used a hair mask. And so that's what I have in my hair right now. I mean, I rinsed it, but like it's still kind of there. And I'm scared that this color won't like really show up how I want it to. So I think I'm gonna go shampoo it and then let it dry and then we'll go from there. All right, hair has been washed and I blow dried it so it would, dry quickly. So looking a little puffy and a little more dry than it did before, but it's fine because it's dry. And this will act also as kind of like a hair mask once I put it in. So it'll leave my hair nice and hydrated. I've always had super tangled hair. Like I would cry when I was a kid when my mom would try to like brush my hair after I washed it. And I feel like when I have bleached hair and I can't put conditioner, it's even like more difficult, and I'm like trying so hard to not like break my hair and being careful, but it's kind of... Here's what I found. Oh, that scared me. My watch just started talking. I don't even know what I was saying. I guess something about, yeah, it being difficult to detangle my hair. Normally, actually, I wouldn't even brush my hair. When I have bleached it and washed it, but I don't put conditioner, I don't even bother trying to brush it because I don't want to damage it. But because I needed it to dry and I felt like I had to run like my fingers through it to like get the blow dryer in there and stuff, I had to brush it. So it was, may have broken a bit of my hair, but it's okay. Still have enough on my head. Okay, well, I don't think I'm gonna be mixing anything with this. I kind of just want to try it on its own. So I'm just gonna dump it in a bowl. I don't think I have to darken it. I'll take a look at the color, but I kind of do want to just try it on its own. Also, I'm facing this way to try to like get some daylight right now because I feel like whenever I'm in this bathroom and I have to turn on the light, it makes my hair like really yellow and weird. But I can't dye it this way because the mirror is here, so sorry. I'm gonna switch you guys to this side. Maybe I keep it without the light on. I don't know, it's kind of weird because on this side is like you can barely see anything because it's so blown out. But then maybe this side you guys can see. It's pretty early in the day, so I have a lot of light in here right now. So hopefully just the daylight is enough. That is darker than I expected. So yeah, I don't think I need to darken it at all. And one bottle should be the perfect amount for my hair length right now, because I'm pretty sure I had the perfect amount with the blue one that I used from Arctic Fox recently, Cotton Candy Dreams. Okay, so I got a nice full bowl out of that. I'm really excited. I haven't done a color that looked this dark in a long time. Last year I did brown, but yeah, I don't know. I'm excited though. I've been dying to do this and I just feel like the fall time is like the perfect time to have like a dark orangey color. And I do hope I like it because this is going to be the color I'm going to have for my birthday, because my birthday is in 3 days, so fingers crossed. By the way, as I'm grabbing some hair clips, I'm seeing my hair scissors in here and it made me think of this. I might be trimming my hair soon. I know I desperately need a haircut. Like my ends are so dry. I don't know why I've been putting it off. Like I think it actually has been like over a year since I've trimmed my hair. So that will be soon. And I'm probably going to bring it back up to my shoulders at some point. We'll see. I'll go ahead, section my hair. You guys know the drill. Well, I guess if you've seen my other videos. All right, gonna start down here. put this up and release as I go. But yeah, I guess it's time to get started. I'm actually so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I am. I think because it's something different than I normally do. I'm gonna put on my gloves. Definitely need gloves for this one because it's a darker color, although I use it even with pastels. But here we go. The first piece is always a little scary, but see, it almost looks kind of red, but honestly, I'm kind of cool with that too. I've never done red, actually. Red scared me a little bit, but I think if it has like an oranginess to it, it'll be fine, which this should have. Yeah, I can already see it's more orange on the hair. You guys see that? So exciting. Ooh, I think I'm really gonna like this. Okay, well, I've done this a million times. You guys know how it is. I have nothing to say really. I'm just gonna keep going, you know, piece by piece. So let's do a little time lapse, shall we? Well, I have finished applying and I'm very excited. I need to clean up. Also, I probably should have taken off my necklace, but I have like orange on my neck and a little bit around my face. So I'm gonna try to clean that up before it stains. And then I'm just gonna put this up in a cap, leave it on for an hour, then rinse, and then we'll see how it looks. All right, are you guys ready to see? Looks cute, huh? It's a little more vibrant, a little lighter than I expected. I thought it was gonna be a tiny bit darker, but I still like it. And I'm glad I just tried it on its own first, but maybe in the future I could add like a little bit of purple and have it be like a slightly darker orange. But I think it's coming across brighter on camera than it is in person. Yeah, it definitely is. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I actually really like, I mean, like, is this not perfect for the fall? Also, Halloween is next week, so it just fits the vibes of this season. It's like a mixture of like red and orange. Like, can you guys see that? And the coverage is like so good. I mean, obviously 'cause it's like a more vibrant color, but I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a color you would try? Or are you scared of vibrant shades, kind of like how I've been for a very long time? I don't think I'll do a video where I'm like showing the whole fading process, but if you go to my Instagram, I'm sure I'll be posting a lot of pictures, especially because it's like my birthday's coming up, then Halloween, and then we're actually like traveling to Tennessee for a bit, and then there's Thanksgiving, so I'm guessing it's gonna last until then, like obviously a lighter version of this. So on my Instagram, you'll be able to see like the whole fading process. I'm actually seeing friends tonight, and it's gonna be interesting to see their reactions to my hair because they've never seen me with something quite so vibrant. And I never tell people when I'm switching my hair color. I just show up and they're like, whoa. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I'm not gonna lie, this like season that's like cozier, it kind of makes me want to vlog again. I haven't really vlogged in a long time, but if that's something you guys would be interested in, let me know. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!